The Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13. What is Kshetra? And what is Kshetragya? What are the characteristics of Kshetra and how these are important for life? The 5 elements: ego, intelligence, basic nature, the 10 senses, the mind and the 5 vishyas as perceived by the senses: speech, touch, sight, taste and smell. Further, desire, joy, sorrow, consciousness and life force. Understanding these aspects of life is knowledge. Ignorance about these crucial aspects is idiotic. Further, Lord Krishna said to Arjun, "Now I will explain to you characteristics of wisdom. Lack of personal pride, lack of ill actions, lack of annoying any living being with words or with action is wisdom. Generosity to excuse, simplicity of mind and speech, purity of inner and outer self, stability of mind and speech, these form collectively the definition of wisdom. Strength and cohesion of thought, its process, energy, power and faith. Faith in one's capability are attributes of the wise, and whatever is opposite of these is ignorant. Constancy of thought and realizing the Almighty's presence always is the core knowledge. That is Tattva Gyan, which needs to be pursued. The soul present in the body is reflection of God, the Almighty. Everything that happens to you is a reflection of what you believe about yourself. We cannot outperform our level of self-esteem. We cannot draw to ourselves more than we think we are worth. Now let me read some quotations about ignorance, knowledge and wisdom. Ignorance is the curse of God. Knowledge is the wing wherewith we fly to heaven, said William Shakespeare. Next, never did nature say one thing and wisdom another. This is what is said by Edmund Burke, another philosopher, great philosopher. The key to growth is the introduction of higher dimensions of consciousness in our awareness. So this is the importance of awareness. This is the importance of Kshetra and Kshetragya. Next, when solution is simple, God is answering. Albert Einstein said this. So finally, it is the province of knowledge to speak, and it is the privilege of wisdom to listen. So that is the importance of listening. Now, if we follow these, if we follow the wisdom and of Kshetra and Kshetragya, wisdom of chapter 13 of what Lord Krishna has said, I think we make our life simple, we make our life really easy and comfortable.